If you have a video file that won't play because of the format, like AVI, MKV, or MOV, you don't need any extra software. You can convert it directly using VLC Media Player. Here's how to do it step by step. First, open VLC Media Player, go to the top left corner and click on Media, then choose Convert, Save. In the File tab, click Add, select the video file you want to convert, and click Open. Once your file is added, click Convert Save at the bottom. Now, under Profile, click the drop-down menu and choose the format you want. If you want a standard format that works almost everywhere, choose Video, H.264 plus MP3 MP4. That will convert your file to MP4. If you want to customize settings, click the wrench icon next to the profile. Here you can change the container format, adjust resolution, lower the frame rate to reduce file size, modify the audio codec, or manage subtitles. If you're not sure what to change, leave everything on default. VLC's automatic settings work great. Click Save when you're done. Next, click Browse to choose where you want to save the converted file. Select your folder, type a file name, and make sure you add the correct extension, like MP4. Then click Save. Now click Start. VLC will begin converting your video. You'll see the progress bar moving at the bottom of the window. The time it takes depends on the size and length of your video. Once the progress bar finishes, the conversion is complete. Go to your selected folder and you'll see both the original file and the newly converted one. That's it. VLC isn't just a media player, it's a powerful built-in video converter. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.